Because Allah will make her be. In fact, right now, you're in this world right now. The hadith says, Prophet ﷺ said, when a person's wife says things to him, bad things, oh, you this, you that, you never tidy up, you do, you get it from your wives. Yes, guys, nod your heads. Say yes. Or is it only my wife? Don't worry, she's a good person. Yeah, she's a good person. Okay, she'll be listening to this one day. She'll be getting me back at this. But I say this to her home as well. She says bad things. One of your wives said it. Rasulullah said, he says, your hur'een in Jannah are saying, are you? Stop saying that. He's our husband as well. Our husband as well. He's in a hadith. So sometimes I tease my wife and I tell her this. I say, listen, take it easy. My wife's in Jannah saying something. My wife's in Jannah not liking it. They're not liking it. Don't say that. And she starts laughing. Right? Just to make her laugh. I really wind her up sometimes. I just make her laugh because when she gets mad at me, I just wind her up.